Hi, I'm going to show you how to use LettsGroup's AI Venture Factory. You most likely will have started at our website where you can find out all about our comprehensive AI native venture building platform. It's probably the most comprehensive platform on the market today. You've got a whole load of details about the Venture Factory, a bunch of resources, and a bunch of the companies, both startups and scale-ups, that are already using the platform. And you can choose your plan, whether you're a brand new early stage pre-seed startup or a later stage startup or a scale-up or more. You can also use the Let's Group assistant to give you a whole load of tips and tools and techniques, bunch of information for free, and also give you more information about Let's Group's Venture Factory. Once you've subscribed, you will get your dashboard, which is designed and built specifically for your business. The dashboard is broken up into three major sections. There's the tools to get you started, support tools, FAQs, how you manage your plan, all with links to where you need to go, plus a bunch of quick start guides. Then you have the core Venture Factory system itself, which is our venture building system, which we call Innovate, plus a bunch of the core apps that will support your business, its infrastructure, right from early stage all the way through scale up. Then you've got our agent store, and then you've got your area. Your area does a bunch of things, but there's just four bits of information that you need to add at the beginning to prime the system. Company name, company website, assuming you have one. If not, you just put none, and a short one-sentence descriptor of your offering and its core target market. If you have a company blog, you can add that as well. If not, you just put none. Then we have we go into the Venture Factory system where we can get going. First of all, you can see our venture building system, Innovate. Here it's presented to you, and it forms the backdrop to the whole system. It is the step-by-step industry accepted guide to building your company right from idea all the way through exit. And you can see there's a whole load of steps and stages and sub-steps here. And they take you from literally just generating the idea. Presented here as a huge wiki that you can go through, you can search, you can do all sorts of things with. How you develop the idea, describing your potential barriers to entry, exit strategies, how you build a design-driven prototype, short business plans, a whole load of things like this. And it has some support tools around it, which are also really valuable. There's a whole suite of agents, templates, and tools for each step in your journey. Once you've familiarized yourself with our venture building system, then you can start work on your business and how you build it out specifically. And this is where you work in the steps app. Each step is listed on the left-hand side here, and you just click open and you'll see both the step itself explained here, but even more importantly, each of the sub-steps to getting there. So this is just how do I generate the idea, and what should you do with an idea? How do you describe it in one paragraph? So you think about positioning. You start with a one sentence, then you do one paragraph, and then you go on from there. But these are all automatically done for you. So you have your first draft to build out from. Here you've got the auto-generated that you'll always see. It's always being updated for you as you build out your company within the platform. But then you can also auto-generate your own specific ones, and then you can take them off and do things with them. And you can go back and you build this out so it also identifies your company problem. This is specifically for you. What problem do you solve? The thing that you always get asked. Well, here you have it straight out of the box. And what is your target customer? And how do you research it and how do you think about it? All here generated with AI. To do a more detailed generation, which you can see below here, you just click AI Generate. To work with it, you just do copy AI output and you're off. And you can go through and you can do all sorts of things here. Develop market opportunities, build websites, build your business out with Let's Group's Venture Factory. So here's just a quick start guide to get you going. If you want to get going, go to www.lets.group.